Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to access Cash App Borrow. So this application lets you borrow, but of course you must be verified or qualified in order for you to borrow from their company. So to know if you can have access or if it's possible to borrow from their company or from this application, first you need to go to your account here. Scroll down and then tap the support right here. So as you can see, how can we help you? You can just simply enter here cash borrow or the keyword borrow, and it will take you to some articles or any options or features here related to borrow. So for example, if you have typed borrow right here, then basically it will take you to this page where you can see here the requirements and the things you need to do in order for you to borrow from their company. So Cash App Borrow is currently not available to all US residents. So here are the list of potential factors that can help you to have access to this feature. So state of residence. Okay, what is the state of residence? So basically the location of a person's residence, particularly their home and the dwelling or the place. So that's the reason why it's not really open for all US citizens. Another thing we have here is they require to have an activated cash card. So there are ways in how to activate your cash card. First is, of course, this is what it looks like. You can get this one. And to activate this, then probably you need to contact them. You need to verify your details application. Okay, so they will just tell you what to do in order for you to activate your card. Another thing is that cash app usage. So cash app usage is that like how often you use your cash app. And lastly, we have here is the credit history. So you must have a good reputation or you must have a good score. Or let's just say you often use cash app not just for borrowing, but for other transaction, and you have created a good score right here, good history. And if you have acquired all of this, then probably you can unlock or you can have access to their cash borrow application. If not, if you think that you have all of this, then you can talk to their customer service support in order for you to have access to their cash app borrow. So if you want us to create another tutorial or if you want us to do another tutorial, please do comment down below. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next videos.